Yan. The smoke went blank through the chimney during the fire drill. Is it A in, B up, C out, or D under? Again, the smoke went blank through the chimney during the fire drill. Is it A in, B up, C out, or D under? For questions like this, diba, in my previous sessions, live sessions, I am always telling you to always visualize what's happening, especially the location, right? So for number 5, B, D, B, C. Diane says C. The smoke went blank through the chimney, huh? During the fire drill. Where can we find the chimney? Please try to visualize. Isipin po natin to understand and visualize yung location, yung nangyayari. C, out. B, up. C, I think. Please ponder on the question carefully. The smoke went blank through the chimney during the fire drill. So we are torn between letter B and letter C. Raymart out. Dan, roof. Where is the roof ba located? B, lumabas yung usok. Ay nako, lumabas yung usok. That is so sad. C, Shannon B, Jennifer B, Froylen B. Okay, so that's your final answer. So we're going to disregard A and D based on the choices or based on the answers that you are provided in our comment section. We will be discouraging removing A in and D under. So we will be choosing between B and C. The smoke went up through the chimney during the fire drill. Or the smoke went out through the chimney during the fire drill. C po pala. B, up. Ano ba talaga? Out. Is it out? B. Shall we reveal the correct answer for number 5? Amy B. Ito, RFY? Okay. So for this one, the smoke went blank through the chimney. Where is the chimney located ba? What usually happens to the smoke in the chimney? Final answer B, since you need to visualize. Oh, that's good to know, to hear, to read. No? Let's reveal the answer for number 5. There you have it. The smoke went up through the chimney during the fire drill. Diba, what happens ba with this case or with this scenario when we visualize it? Smoke naturally rises upward. Through where? Through what? Through the chimney. Diba? That's why it went up through the chimney. So why others are incorrect? Technically, within, incorrect direction. Yung under naman, that's opposite direction. Yung out naman, went out. That's very incomplete, the thought and the meaning, perhaps. No, that's why I keep on telling you that what is the good strategy when we are dealing with this one? We visualize the movement. When the smoke rises up, definitely went up. Okay? Tama una sagot ko, binura ko pa. Pero sometimes it's important yung instinct natin, di ba? What comes first to our mind, ayun, di ba? Yun na agad ang ilalagay natin. Instinct lang yun, ha? Pero ilan lang ang probability na that you will be getting the correct answer. That's why it's important that you try to visualize, you try to connect with the question, you comprehend the question. Lalong-lalo na, it is clearly stated here, through the chimney. Diba?